Now let's start with the first question, section D, question number. Question 1. Now, using all the first five natural numbers, how many numbers can be formed? How many numbers greater than 30,000 can be formed? And how many numbers divisible by 5 can be formed? So let's start one by one. Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have 5 natural numbers. First, numbers that can be formed. Okay, tell me, is it permutation or combination?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Permutation.
Permutation. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers and 5 places. So R5 P5, which is equal to 5 factorial, which is 120. Second, you also write with me. How many numbers greater than 30,000? Numbers greater than 30,000. It means what? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So over here, which numbers should come?
3, 4, 5.
Either 3 or 4 or 5. So this 3 can come over here, or 4 or 5. So this place will be, which is equal to 3P1 into, remaining can come anywhere, into 4P4, which is equal to 3 into 24 is equal to 72 numbers. Third one. How many numbers divisible by 5? Numbers divisible by 5. So what we want is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This number 5 should come over here, then only it is divisible. So this is 1P1 and remaining 4 numbers anywhere, so 4P4, which is equal to 24 numbers. Answer. So write the answer. Which is equal to 1152. Answer. So 4 boys and 4 girls, they are to be arranged such that 2 boys, 2 girls don't come together. It means they are alternatively arranged, and that's why we have boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl. Another arrangement, पहले seat पे girl, then boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy. Because it is or, we take it plus. हो गया सबका? Should I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, third one. In how many ways 3 boys and 2 girls can be arranged in a row? It is row, okay, ROW, such that both the girls remain together, boys and girls are alternatively arranged, and all 3 boys remain together. So let's write. We have 3 boys and 2 girls. Number of ways they can be arranged such that first, both girls remain together. It means what? We want these 2 girls to be together so they become like one. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, which is equal to 4p4 into. They can change the places alternatively. So into 2p2, which is equal to 24 into 2, which is equal to 48. Second, boys and girls are alternatively arranged. So alternatively arranged means we want one boy, one girl, one boy, one girl, like that. So how do we start? We start with boy, then girl, boy, then girl, and then boy. So we have 1, 2, 3 boys, so which is 3p3 into 2 girls into 2p2, which is equal to 6 into 2, which is equal to 12. Third, all the 3 boys remain together. All the 3 boys remain together. So now we have boy, boy, boy and girl, girl. तो ये तीनों हमेशा साथ में ही रहेंगे जहाँ पे भी जाएंगे. तो these 3 become like 1. So it is 1, 2 and 3, which is 3p3, and internally they can change. So again 3p3 is 6 into 6, which is equal to 36 ways. If all the arrangement formed by using all the letters of the word wakeful are arranged in order of dictionary, then what will be the rank of the word wakeful? So we'll start from here. We want to arrange all these letters of the word wakeful. So let's write first the order. So मैं wakeful यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ side में. This is what I want. But in dictionary, we start with A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. So this is going to be the dictionary order. We want W. So we start with A. So A is fixed. Next will be E, F, K, L, U, W. You have to follow this arrow, okay? So इसको fix कर देते 6p6, so it is 720, or we write like this 1p1 into 6p6, which is equal to 720. Next is E, then again follow the arrow, E fix A, F, K, L, U, W. Again 1p1 into 6p6, which is 720. Next is F, A, E, K, L, U, W. Again F fix, 6 keeps on changing. 1p1 into 6p6, which is 720. Then K, fix A, E, F, L, U, W, which is 1p1 into 6p6, which is equal to 720. Next is L. So again, A, E, F, K, U, W, which is again 1p1 into 6p6, 720. Then U. So A, E, F, K, L, W, which is 1p1 into 6p6, which is 720. Then W, A, E, F, K, L, U. Now we want W, we want A, we don't want E, okay? Then F, K, L, U. So which will be 1p1 into 1p1 into 1p1 into 4p4, which is equal to 24. Then W, A, यानी E के बाद वाले सारे E से चालू होने वाले, E F वाले, E K वाले, E L वाले, E U वाले सारे निकल गए. तो E के बाजू में क्या आ जाएगा? E के बदले आ जाएगा F, E, K, L, U. So now A चाहिए, W चाहिए, A चाहिए, पर F नहीं चाहिए. तो F वाले जितने भी है वो निकालने पड़ेंगे. 1p1 into 1p1 into 1p1 into 4p4, which is equal to 24. और फिर W, A, F वाले चले गए, E वाले चले गए, अब आ गया K. फिर आया K के बाद आया E, उसके बाद आया F, L, U. तो यहाँ पे इसको हम वन वर्ड ले लेते हैं और W, A, K, E, F, U, L इसको भी हम ले लेते हैं वन वर्ड. So now you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 200,
4370, sir.
4370. 4370th rank. Now this sum is very important. Please mark it important. Now, 4 couples, husband and wife, attend a party. In how many ways can 2 persons be selected from these 8 persons such that first 2 persons are husband and wife? So let's first write 4 couples. Yani you have husband, wife, husband, wife, husband, wife, and husband, wife. So this is, let's say 1, 1, say 2, 2, 3, 3, and 4, 4. These are 4 couples. Okay. Number of ways 2 persons can be selected such that first both are husband and wife. अब ध्यान देना प्लीज, थोड़ा ट्रिकी है. So can I say if I want to select husband and wife only, so can I say इन दोनों को हम साथ में रख लेते हैं, so they become like one. So how many couples are there? 4 couples. So out of these 4 couple, I want 1 couple. समझ में आया सबको? तो ये 4 में से मुझे एक सिलेक्ट करना है, तो यहाँ पे परम्यूटेशन आएगा या कॉम्बिनेशन आएगा?
Combination.
4C1 which is equal to 4 ways. पहला आंसर. Second, 1 is a male and other is a female. Now मुझे 2 लोग सिलेक्ट करने हैं, उसमें 1 मेल 1 फीमेल, फिर वो हस्बैंड हो, वाइफ हो, हस्बैंड वाइफ नहीं हो तो भी कोई फर्क पड़ता नहीं है. तो मुझे बताओ ये 8 लोगों में से मेल कितने हैं?
4.
4 हस्बैंड तो 4 मेल और 4 वाइफ तो 4 फीमेल. एनी डाउट?
No.
तो ये 4 में से कोई भी एक, 4 हस्बैंड में से कोई भी एक, तो 4C1, और 4 वाइफ में से कोई भी एक, तो अगेन 4C1 which is equal to 16 ways. बट ये थर्ड वन थोड़ा ट्रिकी है. 1 is a male and other is a female, but they are not husband and wife. But they are not husband and wife. अब इसको कैसे करेंगे? अब ध्यान दो, सेकेंड ऑप्शन में तुमने क्या लिया? 1 मेल एंड 1 फीमेल. तो हम जब ये लोग सिलेक्ट करते हैं ये 16 ऑप्शन ये वाले, तो उसमें पॉसिबल है कि हस्बैंड वाइफ वाले भी सिलेक्ट हो गए, हस्बैंड और वाइफ नहीं है वो भी सिलेक्ट हो सकते हैं 16 के 16 ऑप्शन में. फिर से बोलूं, 4 कपल है, ठीक है? देयर आर 4 कपल, हस्बैंड वाइफ, हस्बैंड वाइफ, हस्बैंड वाइफ, हस्बैंड वाइफ. पर 4 मेल को मैंने अलग खड़ा कर दिया, 4 फीमेल को अलग खड़ा कर दिया. अब मुझे उसमें से 2 लोग चाहिए, तो मैं रैंडमली सिलेक्ट करूंगा. तो ऐसा पॉसिबिलिटी है कि जो 2 सिलेक्ट किए वो हस्बैंड वाइफ भी हो सकते हैं या वो हस्बैंड वाइफ नहीं भी हो सकते हैं. डू यू अग्री? डू यू अग्री? तो इसमें से ये जो 16 है उसमें से मैं हस्बैंड वाइफ वाले ऑप्शन निकाल दूंगा, तो मुझे मिल जाएगा कि मेल है, फीमेल है, बट दे आर नॉट हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ. यू अंडरस्टूड दिस? फिर से एक बार, 16 ऑप्शन जो आए उसके अंदर हस्बैंड भी आ गया, वाइफ भी आ गया, हस्बैंड वाइफ नहीं है वो भी आ गए. तो वो 16 में से जो हस्बैंड वाइफ वाले ऑप्शन थे उनको मैं निकाल दूंगा, तो मुझे मिल जाएगा ऑप्शन कि हस्बैंड भी मेल फीमेल है पर हस्बैंड वाइफ नहीं है. समझ में आया ये? तो डायरेक्टली कैन आई डू 2 - 3, ऑप्शन 2 माइनस ऑप्शन 3. तो यहां पे आ जाओ. सो विच इज 2 - 1 which is equal to 16 - 4 which is equal to 12. Now you will say कि सर ये नहीं समझ में आया, तो हम मैन्युअली भी कर सकते. कैसे? वो ऑप्शंस क्या हो सकते हैं? H1 W2, H1 W3, H1 W4, H2 W1, H2 W3, H2 W4, फिर H3 W1, H3 W2, H3 W4 and H4 W1, H4 W2 and H4 W3. तो कितने ऑप्शन हो गए? These are all 12 options. So मैन्युअली भी कर सकते हो. समझ में आया ये मैन्युअली क्या किया? तुमने देखा H1 W1 नहीं आया, H2 W2 नहीं आया, H3 W3 भी नहीं आया और H4 W4 भी नहीं आया. Understood this? This is basically a similar concept of probability where we have difference event. It's basically difference event. You learn that in your 12th standard. लिख लिया सबने? ये options भी लिख लेना so that you know. Okay? Please write the options also. You are waiting for me to tell this to you. Okay. अब लिख लो हाँ? सर जो भी लिखे वो तुम्हें लिखना है. Okay? It's important. There are 4 different books of statistics, 3 different books of economics on the table. In how many ways 2 books can be selected such that first, both are of same subject, second, both are of different subject, and third, no book of economics is selected. First, let's write 4 books of stats. So books are S1, S2, S3, S4. Economics 1, Economics 2, Economics 3. Number of ways two books can be selected are first, both are of same subject. Now same subject means what? 2 stats and 2 stats or 2 books of economics. So stats कितना है? 4 books है. Now permutation है या combination है?
Combination.
Underline कर लो word selected. Okay? So 4 में से 2 4C2 और है तो प्लस 3 में से 2 3C2, which is 4C2 is 4 into 3 upon 2 into 1 plus 3C2 is 3. So which is equal to 6 plus 3, which is equal to 9. Second, both are of different subjects. It means what? One of stats and one of economics. So one stats यानी 4 में से 1 and is into multiply economics 3 में से 1, which is equal to 12 ways. And third, no book of economics is selected. So not to worry, I want only statistics, so 2 stats, which is equal to 4C2, which is equal to 6 ways. Three dolls, 4 kitchen set, and 3 cars are displayed in a toy shop. In how many ways 3 toys can be selected such that? So let's write first 3 dolls, 4 kitchen set, and 3 cars. 3 toys are to be selected. So number of ways 3 toys can be selected are first. All are dolls. So we want to select 3 and all are dolls. तो 3 doll है तो 3 में से 3. So which is equal to 3 P3 or C3. Permutation या combination?
Combination.
Combination because of the word selected. तो selected को underline करना. So 3C3 which is equal to 1. Second 3C3 1 कैसे आया? 3 into 2 into 1 upon 3 into 2 into 1 which is equal to 1. Okay. Now second, all are different toys. All are different toys. So we want one doll and one kitchen set and one car. And one car. So one doll, so 3 में से एक 3C1, 4 किचन सेट में से एक 4C1 और 3 कार में से एक 3C1 which is 3 into 4 into 3 36. And third one, 2 dolls and 1 kitchen set. You can try this on your own. 2 dolls. So 3 में से 2 into kitchen set 1. So 4 में से 1 and no cars, so लिखने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. 3C2 is 3, 4C1 is 4, so which is equal to 12. Answer. Now, eighth sum, please mark it important. A committee of 3 members is to be formed from 4 chartered accountants and 5 doctors associated with a social organization. In how many ways can committee be formed such that first, the CAs are in majority and second, doctors are in majority. First, let's write what is given. 4 chartered accountant and 5 डॉक्टर. ये डीआर डेबिट नहीं है भाई, डीआर डॉक्टर का है. कॉमर्स स्टूडेंट्स, ओके, डीआर इज फॉर डॉक्टर. तो किसी डॉक्टर की क्लिनिक में जाके मत बोलना कि भाई डेबिट अजय मेहता. हाँ, डेबिट नहीं है, वो डॉक्टर है. ओके, सो ध्यान रखना, डीआर इज डॉक्टर ओवर हियर. ओके, नाउ ओवर हियर we want to select a committee of 3. So number of ways a committee of 3 members be formed are: first, CAs are in majority. अब 3 लोगों का कमिटी है तो सीए मेजॉरिटी में कब आ सकते हैं? जब यहां पे ऑप्शंस क्या आएंगे? या 2 CA and 1 डॉक्टर और 3 CA and 0 डॉक्टर. So which is equal to 2 CA. So 4 में से 2 4C2 into डॉक्टर 5 में से 1 और है तो प्लस 4 में से 3 CA और 0 डॉक्टर which is equal to 4C2 is 4 into 3 upon 2 into 1 is 6 into 5 plus 4C3 is 4 into 5C0 is 1, which is equal to 6 5 are 30 plus 4, which is equal to 34 ways. Second, doctors are in majority. Now, doctors are in majority means two doctor and one CA, or three doctor and zero CA, which is equal to two doctor. So 5 में से 2 5C2 into CA8 4C1 और यानी प्लस 3 doctor 5C3 into 4C0, which is equal to 5C2 is 10 into 4C1 is 4 plus 5C3 is also 10 into 4C0 is 1, which is equal to 40 plus 10, which is equal to 50 ways. Answer. You have to write all these combination, okay? Then only you will be able to write this 4C2 and 5C1 and all. So these options you have to write. कि what are the options? अगर CA's majority में है तो 3 लोग में से either 2 can be CA या तीनों 3 CA. तो 2 CA 1 डॉक्टर 3 CA तो 0 डॉक्टर. Same as with doctors कि 2 डॉक्टर 1 CA या फिर तीनों 3 डॉक्टर. So that's how you have to write the combination, because here we have to select members to form a committee. That's why we use combination. Okay, so although over here the word selected is not there, but when you form a committee, you select. When you form a team which is going to play the match, out of 16, you select 11. Okay, so when a committee is formed, it is selection. That's why we use combination. Got it, all of you?